In a world where consumer behavior has shifted decisively toward digital-first buying, most Indian stores were still offline, fragmented, and invisible on major marketplaces. With 21,000 plus independent stores and 3,500 plus South Asian stores across the United States, yet less than 5% of them were truly online. Access was limited, scale was missing, growth was capped. Quickly was built to solve exactly this gap. What started with one Indian store in Chicago, bringing it online for the first time, soon became something bigger. It turned into a movement. City by city, state by state, Indian stores went digital and scale followed. This wasn't growth. This was a breakthrough. Quickly became the largest South Asian marketplace in the United States. With 500,000 plus orders delivered, 200,000 plus happy customers, Quickly has now become a daily grocery partner for families nationwide and is a rapidly growing community across America. Behind the scenes, Quickly continued strengthening its platform, a technology ecosystem that enables local Indian stores to sell online and scale nationally. The only US platform connecting top South Asian stores and brands to leading online marketplaces like Uber Eats, Instacart, DoorDash, Grubhub, and more through a single integration. And the growth didn't stop there. Quickly crossed borders and began delivering across Canada. One platform, two countries, rapid expansion. This year also marked a major product leap. Direct from India was launched. For the first time, Indian brands could be ordered in the US and shipped directly from India. Authenticity, selection, global reach. At the same time, Just Buy Quickly entered the ready-to-eat category and achieved a path-breaking milestone, now available across national retail networks including Costco, Aldi, Schnucks, and more. In parallel, through separate partnerships, Just Buy Quickly expanded Indian food access beyond retail, reaching homes, campuses, hospitals, and everyday American kitchens across the US, including institutions such as Kansas University, Indiana University, West Virginia University, and more. Indian meals mainstream shelves at scale. Growth was matched with brand momentum. This year, Quickly onboarded Rakulpreet Singh and Jackie Bhagnani as brand ambassadors, amplifying trust, visibility, cultural relevance. 2026 marks the next phase. Deeper penetration, more cities, more partners, more households, with a clear ambition to capture 20% of the South Asian commerce market. Because when you think Indian, you think Quickly.